Hi guys, it's Tomasz here, welcome to my channel, and in today's video let's make a comparison between the GoPro Hero 6 Black and the GoPro Hero 4 Silver. And the reason I'm making this video is because I wanted to give you the best possible image comparison between the two cameras and help you decide whether it's better for you to actually stick to your older GoPro or maybe upgrade. Just for the sake of this video, I'm not going to talk about all the extra features that the Hero 6 Black has, like extra frame rates, 4K and so on and so forth, like GPS, waterproof body. I'm gonna throw it all aside and focus entirely on the image quality. And to make the comparison a little bit more enjoyable for you guys to watch it, I'm going to use the camera grip for the Hero 4 Silver, because as you know guys, this camera doesn't have any electronic image stabilization, whereas I'm going to use the electronic image stabilization on the Hero 6 Black. I hope you guys gonna like this video. I put a lot of effort into making this one, and I hope you're gonna get something out of it. See you guys there. Right, so before I start, I will say that both cameras were set to auto mode, except for the 4K resolution in Hero 6 Black and 2.7K in Hero 4 Silver. Take a closer look at the sky. It's more saturated with the blue color. Overall, the image in the Hero 6 Black is more saturated, and if you compare it to the Hero 4 Silver, the image is a little bit more contrasty in a way. Now take a closer look at the sky once again, and you can see that the highlights are blown out in the Hero 4 Silver, whereas the Hero 6 Black can adjust itself to the light changes quite faster. And also the shadows in the Hero 6 Black, well, the camera can spot through it, see through it much faster than the Hero 4 Silver. As you guys see, the image on the Hero 6 Black is a little bit brighter, and thus it's so to say washed out, whereas the Hero 4 Silver actually delivers an image that has a lot more contrast in it. Both cameras are set to exactly the same settings in this one. Alright, we are here in the broad daylight, and both cameras are set to same ISO. However, the EV composition is slightly different, and as you guys see, the Hero 6 Black offers a much brighter image. Once again, the colors are more vibrant and saturated, whereas the Hero 4 Silver is a little bit more darker. The camera doesn't manage to maintain the same brightness as the Hero 6 Black, and delivers a slightly darker image. And this one is a really good example of the high dynamic range which the Hero 6 Black has. If you look closely, you will see that the Hero 6 Black manages to adjust to the light changes quite faster than the Hero 4 Silver. The Hero 4 Silver struggles actually to adjust so fast to the light, and some parts of the image are actually covered in darkness. Right, pay a close attention to the wall on the right side in the Hero 4 Silver. As you guys see, it's much darker, and on the left side there's gonna be some door which gonna be completely covered in darkness in the Hero 4 Silver, yet Hero 6 Black can still see it, so it means just the high dynamic range is better in the Hero 6 Black. When it comes to underwater shots, I would say it's a draw. The footage looks really good on both cameras, except for Hero 6 Black has a little bit of greenish look to it, whereas the Hero 4 Silver looks more blue. So I think it's up to everyone's preference. Honestly, I would say that Hero 4 Silver manages to capture a little bit more light, like in this case, when I'm swimming towards the camera is standing exactly in the same spot, yet Hero 4 Silver actually manages to capture more light than 6 Black. I think that's why the temperature is different. Alright, so now time for a time lapse. If you guys look at the sky, the Hero 6 Black has more blue color in it, while the Hero 4 Silver is actually giving us more of a flat look. This was shot during the twilight, after the sunset, and as you guys see, both cameras are doing pretty decent job. But later on, while at night, everything is almost covered in darkness in the Hero 4 Silver, while Hero 6 Black still remains some details in the areas where Silver simply falls apart. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. It was a little bit long, but I hope I managed to somehow give you a fair comparison between the two cameras. As you guys seen, the image quality is almost similar, identical. So if you guys are not particularly after the 4K and extra frame rates that the Hero 6 offers, you can still stick to the old GoPro and just consider buying a gimbal. However, if you want those extra features that the Hero 6 offers, like 4K 60 and other extra frame rates, waterproof body and so on, then consider really the purchase, as it's really worth it. There are a lot of negative opinions about the Hero 6, that it freezes up and so on and so forth, but I use it for almost a year now and I'm pretty happy about it. Alright, so if you like this video, as I put a lot of effort into making this one, please give me a thumb up, support my channel in this way, and if you guys like it, you can subscribe to it and maybe leave me some positive feedback in the comment section below. I really appreciate that, and thank you guys for watching once again, and see you in the next one.